Hello, wonderful students. You are taking a class with me that has some online components, and I just want to let you know how to find everything. First, go into your Blackboard, click on Courses, find the course you're taking, and this is a generic video. It doesn't have that many details. You're taking some course with me. It will be in your courses list. Click on whatever course it is you're taking with me, and it will take you lots of places. There might be a Getting Started page. There might not be. But what you should do, regardless of which class you're taking with me, is first go into the syllabus, read the whole syllabus after you open it, and then take the syllabus quiz. If there is one, there might not be one depending on which class and which semester you're taking it with me. But the thing I really want to go over is my math lab homework. You're going to click right here for my math lab homework, and it's going to take you to a place to register for my math lab. It will look something like this. Please click over here where it says student and just fill out their register here or create account or whatever it asks you to do. Fill out a bunch of stuff, your information. Eventually you will get to a payment page, and the most important thing that this video is for is to let you know that I strongly suggest you don't use your access code or money right away. Try the temporary access code, because frequently students get a week into the class, especially an online class or a summer class, and they're like, oh my gosh, I really don't think I should be doing this. So it's best to save money by trying first the free 2-week trial that you can pay later, and it will keep all of your information. So make sure that you do the free 2-week trial first. Once you've signed on, the next time you get onto Blackboard, you should be able to just click on my Math Lab homework. It'll open up and it'll give you another place to click, because of course you have to click twice. Why wouldn't you? And you click there and it'll take you into my Math Lab. Maybe slowly, but it will take you there. You will likely not have a bunch of boxes because you probably only have my class in there. So click on whatever class you're in. It'll take you in and you will see a bunch of stuff. You will most likely come to a page that looks something like this, and it gives you some of your first assignments. This clearly is not your semester because these are old dates, but this kind of has misled people in the past. I would not stay right here. I would click on either View All Assignments or Assignments here to see a full picture of what's going on, especially if you're in a summer class, because there's so many assignments so fast in a summer class. Please know that this course is not taught just in my math lab. Don't forget that on your course, no matter what course it is, there's somewhere where there's videos that I've posted, material I've posted, and the discussion board, which will have units in it for you to discuss all things mathematical and logistical. So, okay, I think you're ready to go. Get started, read your syllabus, do your syllabus quiz. If you have one in this course, you'll see it right under the syllabus thing. And good luck, good luck. Please ask questions on the discussion board if you need anything. That's all.